Hey friends, Molly here again, and today we are talking about one of the biggest myths law firms fall for: thinking another tool will finally fix the chaos. I hear this constantly from law firms. We have go high level, Lawmatics, workflows with triggers, subflows, chains, Dialpad, Monday, Slack, Asana, but nothing's getting easier. And when I ask, how's it going? They say the same thing every single time. We're still overwhelmed. I still have no idea where we're at with X. Of course you are. Tools don't run your firm, people do. And people need a framework, not more software. Let me shoot straight with you. Tools don't create clarity. Tools don't create accountability. Tools don't create ownership. What creates these things? A framework. A team with structure can run any tool. A team without structure will drown in all tools. What you actually need isn't another platform. Need clear expectations, clear deadlines, better accountability rhythms, defined ownership, systems your team can run without you, a culture that develops intrapreneurs, not task takers. This is exactly why we built the 5-step law firm freedom framework inside LFAB. Tools that support a framework, they don't replace one. And this became crystal clear in one of our firms last week. Caleb, director of operations at a fast-growing VA disability firm, shared something that made the entire LFAB room go silent. A team member messaged him and said, "Hey, can you figure out how to do blah, blah, blah for me? I can't seem to figure it out." Now, the old version of Caleb, the fixer, the rescuer, the human band-aid, would have jumped in and done it himself. But he didn't, because he knew something the team member wasn't using yet. They already had a written SOP. They already had a searchable knowledge base. They already had repeatable process. They already implement Train Up Tuesday. So instead of replying, "Done, I'll take care of it," he said, "I need you to go find the answer in our internal process. If you still have questions after, I'm happy to help. Bring it to the daily huddle tomorrow." That one sentence is the difference between a team that depends on you and a team that runs without you. Most firms mistake being helpful for solving everything themselves. But every time you do that, you unintentionally enforce, "Don't use the system, use me. Don't think, just escalate. Don't own the results, hand it back." Caleb did the opposite. He used the framework to develop an entrepreneur, someone who solves problems, somebody who comes with proposed solutions next time, not just Slack messages with endless communication ping pong. That's what a self-managed team looks like. Not fewer questions, better solutions. Not more tools, more ownership. And the entire team felt the shift. If you are tired of jumping between platforms, if your team keeps asking instead of solving, if you feel like you are the operating system of the firm, then you need to be in our live December masterclass. This is where I will personally break down the 5-step law firm freedom framework, the exact system we use to build self-managed entrepreneurial teams that run the firm consistently, persistently, without constant supervision or maybe micromanagement. So if you join us live, you'll get a tremendous amount of free bonuses that are there for you. Show up live, save your seat, lawfirmleader.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary. Head down in the